Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphing lines worksheet. So this video is a very simple one which presents two tasks. And basically it follows on from a lesson we've had on this very topic. And it's a lesson concerning the relationship between x and y on a number plane. And we saw in the lesson that there were a number of different ways of showing the relationship between x and y on the number plane. The first was by the way of a simple equation. The second way was by drawing up a table of x and y values. The third way was by points, that is ordered pairs, and we take those ordered pairs from the table. And the fourth way was to plot the ordered pairs on a number plane and then draw the line. So the line itself also shows the relationship between x and y. So let's quickly have a look at the two tasks. The first one, use the equation y equals 2 minus x to complete the table of numbers. The x values are given. So here's the table of numbers. That's the equation we're using, and I've given you the x values. After that, plot the ordered pairs on a number plane. So just draw a number plane yourself. Make it quite accurate, so draw it with a ruler. And finally, draw the line on the same number plane. So when you finish these numbers here, when you find the y values, convert these numbers into ordered pairs, plot the ordered pairs on a number plane, join them together to form the line. And the second task is very, very similar, except in this task we're using the equation x plus y equals 4, so it's rearranged a little differently. So I've repeated the equation here, and I have given you some x values. Now, you can use any x values you want from the number plane, but I've just given you some just to make the task a little bit easier. Now, if you're confused about what you should do, on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do each of these examples very, very clearly. So basically, all the worksheets involved, they just showed us different ways of representing the relationships between x and y.